Are you planning to take the NAPOLCOM Entrance Exam? If yes, then stop scrolling because this video is exactly what you need. The NAPOLCOM exam is one of the most important steps for aspiring police officers in the Philippines, and missing even the smallest detail could affect your chances of passing. That's why in this video, I'll share the 10 most important things you must know before exam day, from requirements, exam coverage, and preparation tips, all the way to what you need to bring. By the end of this video, you'll be more confident and fully prepared for the big day. First, the purpose of the NAPOLCOM Entrance Exam. First things first, the NAPOLCOM Entrance Exam is the official qualifying test for those who want to join the Philippine National Police as patrolmen or patrolwomen. Only those who pass the exam are eligible to apply for entry-level positions. This exam isn't just a test, it's your gateway to a career in law enforcement, so take it seriously from day one. Second, eligibility requirements. Before exam day, make sure you are eligible. The exam is open to both civilian applicants and members of PNP who are seeking promotion. For civilians, you must be Filipino, at least 21 years old, but not more than 30 years old, and a bachelor's degree holder. For police officers, the requirements vary depending on your rank. Make sure you double-check your eligibility to avoid wasting time and effort. Third, exam date and time. Mark your calendar for the exam schedule. The exam is usually held in the morning, starting around 7:30 a.m., but gates close earlier for verification and seating. If you arrive late, you won't be allowed to take the exam. Treat this like a mission. Be there ahead of time. Fourth, test centers and assigned rooms. Your exact testing location will be indicated on your notice of admission. These centers are spread across major cities and provinces nationwide. It's important to check your assigned room a day or two before the exam, so you won't be stressed about finding the right building on the actual exam day. Next, notice of admission. Your notice of admission is your golden ticket to the exam. You must secure this document online or from your regional NAPOLCOM office. Without it, you will not be allowed inside the exam room. Make sure it's printed clearly and kept safe along with your other documents. Next, exam coverage. This is where preparation really matters. The NAPOLCOM Entrance Exam usually covers the following areas. General information. This includes Philippine Constitution, law enforcement systems, current events. Verbal reasoning. This includes grammar, vocabulary, comprehension. For quantitative reasoning, this includes basic math, word problems, logic. For logical reasoning, this includes patterns, analytical reasoning, problem solving. Study these subjects systematically because this is what will make or break your performance. Seventh, exam format and time allotment. The exam is composed of multiple choice questions. On average, there are around 200 items, and you are given 3 hours to finish. Time management is crucial. Don't get stuck on one difficult question. Answer what you can, then return to the harder ones later. A passing rate and scoring. You must score at least 70% to pass the exam. But keep in mind, passing doesn't automatically mean you'll get into the police force. It just makes you eligible. The higher your score, the better your chances, especially when competition is tough. Aim higher than the minimum passing grade. And then, things to bring on exam day. Here's a checklist. Your notice of admission, a valid government-issued ID, pencils, usually 2B or Mongol number 2, a clean eraser, and a sharpener. Don't bring gadgets, calculators, or notes because these are strictly prohibited. Also, wear comfortable but appropriate clothing. Collared shirts are usually recommended. Lastly, tips for success before and during the exam. Finally, prepare not just academically but also physically and mentally. Get enough sleep the night before. Eat a light but energizing breakfast. Bring water if allowed. During the exam, stay calm and composed. If a question seems too hard, skip it and go back later. Confidence and composure are just as important as knowledge. So there you have it, everything you must know before the NAPOLCOM Entrance Exam. From requirements and exam coverage to practical tips, these details can make the difference between passing and failing. Remember, this exam is more than just a test. It's your first step towards a career in law enforcement and public service. So prepare well, give your best, and don't forget, success favors those who are ready. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content like this. Good luck on your exam, and see you in the next video.